FitLabPGH back with a movement tip and lifestyle hack. We're a podcast about movement, talking about people, events, and activities in the Pittsburgh area because movement is part of what makes your life complete. Remember to have RIMBYs. You don't have to travel to have adventures. RIMBY means right in my backyard. We spend a lot of time in Mingo Creek, a lot of time in South Park, trek up to North Park, and today we're at WALKATOP in Emerald View Park on Mount Washington, and we are doing a 9-mile hike in support of a foundation to raise awareness for mental health. Never knew about Emerald View Park before I saw it at West Liberty Bikes, the little brochure. Great adventure within 5 miles of downtown. Another movement tip, lifestyle hack from FitLabPGH.